Hello, I'm Jamie Tunstrup, one of the service techs at Modine Manufacturing. In this segment, what we're going to go over is venting of the hot dog heater. So at this point, you should have your unit hung up to the ceiling. You should have your mechanicals hooked up, the gas and the electrical. Now we're going to address the venting side of it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to check the installation manual to find out the venting instructions. Now you can do this two ways. Inside this compartment and inside the electrical compartment, when you open it up, okay, we provide a folder that has the installation manual. It's going to be inside this folder, which is always located in the controls compartment. So make sure that you open this up and you find the manual. Inside the manual, there will give you instructions on how to vent these systems. If you don't have the installation manual, you can go to www.modinehvac.com to find the hot dog manual. We list them all on our site there. So after you have looked through the installation manual, you can look and see how that they're supposed to be vented per our instructions. One other key point to this is you're going to want to make sure that you check with your local codes to make sure you're complying with their standards. The local codes department from your municipality will supersede what we say, so if they want them vented a certain way, you have to comply with what they say. At this point, we need to determine, are you going vertically? Are you going to vent the unit? Are you going to go up through the roof line? Or are you going to go horizontally? You can go both with this heater. This unit is a power exhausted system. So in here, we've got a little motor which will power assist the flue gases out of the space. So coming off here is the adapter. We can go vertically out the roof line, or you can run horizontally. Once you determine which way you're going to go, the next step is to figure out the length. The key point to this is we want to make sure that our vent pipe lengths stay within what we give in our installation manual, which you'll have to check. And the reason for it is that if we get extended out too far, these will have the opportunity maybe to condensate. Maybe they won't run properly because they are pressure sensitive. We have a pressure switch inside the unit that monitors the flue gases as they go to make sure that it's in a safe operating condition. So you're going to want to make sure that you understand how far you're running it in order to make sure this unit runs properly. So once you figure that out, you're ready to put your connection, your vent pipe connection, which we provide the connection, but we do not supply any of the venting. That would be your responsibility. Once you bring your venting to it, you slide the vent over this adapter collar, and you're going to want to hit it with 3 self-tapping screws. Bring your pipe out, make your connections, and you'll head outside. The other key point to this is that you're going to need to make sure that every joint is sealed. So when you're connecting 2 pipes together, you can either tape them with a metal tape, you can screw them, and then you can caulk those joints. So what you want to make sure that they're all sealed properly. Another key point to this is if you're running vertically, even horizontally I should say, you're going to want to have a clean out cap. You're going to want to have a T and a clean out cap. It's in case you get it, if you do get any condensation in there, you're going to want a point where you can clean that out. So these are 80% efficient. They will not condensate, but if it's not running efficiently, if it's not set up properly, there's an opportunity for that. So that's venting on this unit. And again, make sure you check our website, www.modinehvac.com, for any further instructions.